Hello, I am Mani Malarvannan. In this video, we will look into one of the Analytic Kit Wallet Analytic tool. We will see how to use this tool to identify smart contract interactions that are captured from your customers' wallet addresses. We will see how to use this graph and how to extract business intelligence information using the graph. See, one of the main purpose of this smart contract interaction graph is to identify what are all other contracts your customers are using. Say you are managing a smart contract application for one of your customer, and then you want to identify based on the wallet address that you captured using the Analytic tool, what other smart contract they are interacting with, and identify how many times they interacted with your customer's smart contract application and also your competitor's smart contract application or your non-customer smart contract application. So you collect all the data. We collect all the data and store it in our Analytic Kit backend platform so that you can use that data to identify and create business intelligence for your customers. Let me show the graph and then I can describe it. So this is the Analytic Kit platform. I have mentioned it in many of my previous videos. If you have any questions, please go and look into other videos. So once you log into our Analytic Kit platform, this is the page you see. From this page, if you click Wallet Analytic, it will take you to the Wallet Analytic dashboard. All the graphs that you are seeing in this page is basically collected based on the public wallet address we collect from your customers and then store it. Every day night, we go to Ethereum blockchain and we collect the transaction informations that matches your uh, that the wallet address that we collect from your customers. Again, all the wallet data, public wallet address we collect is all public. We are not collecting anything private information. So, and we confirm all the security standard in very strict uh, manner so that you can be assured that we are not collecting unauthorized informations. Anything public, we collect it in the same way. If you go to Ethereum wallet chain, all the data is public because as you know, it's a public ledger. So we collect the data that matches the wallet address. In my previous videos, I mentioned about all these different graphs. And then in this video, we will look into smart contract interactions. So basically, as I said earlier, once we have the public wallet address, every day night we go and collect all the transactions, Ethereum transaction that the public wallet address is involved. So they may be interacting with the public with the smart contract application that you are managing for your customer, or they may be interacting with some other different smart contract application. We collect all the data and store it, and then we show this from this public wallet, from this smart contract application 0x03, there is a one interaction that went into 0x17. So you can see how many in the nodes, each node we will display the smart contract application wallet address. And then at the edges, basically the connection, the line that joins between two dots, that's edge, that we will see how many times the interaction happened. So this helps you to identify how many times your customers are interacting with your smart contract application that you are managing, or your customer smart contract application, or your competitor smart contract application. So based on that, you can identify and fine tune your marketing campaign. See, ultimately, you want to add value for your customers through your marketing initiatives. So this graph would give you very valuable data based on how many times your customers are interacting with the smart contract application. So let's go back to the presentation. So that's the whole purpose of this graph. So once you identify this information, you can fine tune your marketing campaign based on their interactions. See, for example, there are two DeFi protocols. One is a Uniswap, another one is a SushiSwap. Say you are managing the marketing campaign for Uniswap, and then you want to identify how many times your customers are interacting with Uniswap, and then how many times they are interacting with some other smart contract application, say SushiSwap. So based on that information, as you collect it, you can identify how many times they came in, on which days they came, and how many times they interacted with your smart contract application and also your competitor smart contract application. And also you can able to identify which on which day, which smart contract application your customers interacted with. You collect all the data and then you can fine tune your marketing campaign based on the data that we collected. See, because these decisions you are making your marketing campaign on a day-to-day marketing campaign, not based on some random guess or some other data. This is you are making your decisions based on the real-time data that we collect from Ethereum blockchain. And also one thing I want to say at this time, right now we are supporting only Ethereum blockchain. We are working on other blockchains. Very soon we will support other blockchains as well. And also, I said the real time. The real time is not exactly the real time. It's a near real time. Basically, every day night we go to smart contract application. We go to Ethereum blockchain. We collect the data. Say, for example, uh, if we collect public blockchain address from your customer's wallet, say Monday morning, then you need to wait until Tuesday to see data in this graph. So you need to wait 24 hours. We are working on and getting the data in real time, but for now, you have to wait 24 hours. So once you identify how well your customers are using your smart contract application that you are managing and also your competitor smart contract application. You can fine tune your marketing strategies. Say you are creating content and you identify that your customers are going to some new platform, then you can identify if you need to create content to support your customers to help them to understand the new platform they are going to interacting with, or if you want to bring them back to your smart contract application, you can send a mass email campaign or targeted email campaign giving some incentives for them to come back and use your smart contract application. All these informations that you are making, all the decisions you are making is based on your understanding how well your customers are using that entire blockchain applications. Because as you know, if I have a wallet, Ethereum wallet, then I can go and interact with any smart contract application. What I mean by interaction here is buying a token, NFT token from one platform, or go to a different smart contract application and buy a different NFT token. I can do whatever I want to do as a customer since I have a public wallet address. Whatever NFTs are getting popular, I can jump into that and keep buying it. So this data that we collect makes you to identify and makes you to make strategic decisions based on how well your customers are using your smart contract versus your competitor smart contract. So you can understand and get a 360-degree view of the smart contract applications, what are all being used by your customers. So the tailoring the marketing campaign is a very critical aspect in your day-to-day marketing initiatives. Once you understand which smart contract they are coming in, and if they are changing their strategy, your customers, and moving to a different smart contract application, you can identify that information and change your marketing campaign on a regular basis to attract more customers, and so that they can come back to your blockchain application and start buying the NFT tokens. So this decision you are making again is not random guess. We collect the information, we collect the wallet address, and based on the wallet address, we go to Ethereum blockchain and see every day what are all the different transactions, blockchain applications they used, and then we will show that those information, those data as a graph for you to make strategic decisions. The spotting the emerging trends, say there is a new NFT is coming and suddenly it is getting popular and everybody is buying. You read the news, but you don't know what your customers are doing. This tool will help you to identify if they are using the new NFT platform to buy their NFT tokens, or they are doing some other activity. They are going to a game site and buying blockchain based products, tokens, and they are accumulating in their wallet. You can identify that information and emerging trends based on the data that we collect from Ethereum blockchain. So once you have that data, you can spot the trends where your customers are going, not based on some blog post or some news information. So you can able to make the decision based on the data that we collect from Ethereum blockchain and capitalize it and change your marketing strategies to attract customers. Or maybe you can create a content to help them to understand the new platform. See, once you make your customers happy, they are going to come to your platform and start using it again and again. Even if you are helping them to understand your competitors NFT token, helping them to understand various features of NFT tokens or how to use that platform on your website, then they are going to come back to your website and start using it. They will become valued customers for your Ethereum blockchain application. So the crafting the data-driven narratives, whatever informations we collect, you are converting those into your marketing strategies. You are not making some random guess. You collect the data. We collect the data using our Analytic Kit platform, both from the users, we collect the public wallet address, and then we go to the Ethereum blockchain. We collect the transaction data from Ethereum blockchain on a nightly basis, and then you are making decision based on those data. So in this artificial intelligence world, you need to make sure that you are collecting the data and you are using the data and coming up with a proper analytical strategies based on the data. So that's what this tool is providing for you. As I shown previously, this entire set of tools within the wallet address, there are various graphs, and I have given videos for each one of the graph. If you have any questions, please go and see the video and let us know if you have any questions and concerns. Definitely, we will help you to make you understand these graphs. Using these various graphs, you will get a panoramic view of how well your customers are using, number of transactions, number of the gas usage, all the informations you can collect and use it. And now we are talking about the smart contract applications, but there are other graphs. You can use that information to make strategic decisions in your marketing campaigns. And also, this helps you to understand how many different smart contract applications your customers are going, and try to see if there is a cross promotion strategies you can able to gain from that data. Say, for example, your customers are coming to one blockchain application, and then they are going to a different blockchain application on every day on a regular basis. You can uh, understand more about that using the data and try to see if there is any cross marketing promotion you can able to do with your uh, competitors. Sometimes as a customer, see, bottom line, you need to help your customers to do whatever they want to do. Say there are two different blockchain applications, say Uniswap and SushiSwap. You are your marketing company is targeting or managing Unisys platform, and you know that your customers are going to SushiSwap blockchain application. Then you can talk to SushiSwap and see if there is cross promotional marketing strategies you can create with your competitors and say, hey, if they come to SushiSwap, then they will get some points so that they can come back to Uniswap. So you can able to identify that information, identify your competitors and see, work with them to make sure that your marketing campaign helps your customers to attract more and more and more time they can come to your website, and then they can keep buying more of your tokens. This also helps you to benchmark the analysis that you are doing that uh, from your platform. Say you collect data from based on the wallet analytics, you identify that there are three other blockchain applications your customers are going on a regular basis. You can identify that information and create cross-promotional email marketing campaigns, trying to say that, hey, every day Monday morning, one of your user is going to your competitor's blockchain application. You can send a promotional email campaign Monday morning, saying, giving some incentives for them to come back to your blockchain application and start using it, so that you gain more customers by doing it and understanding those information and then making strategic decision using the data. And ultimately, for your customers, the marketing efforts you are doing based on this Analytic Kit tool, you can show them the data that what you collect based on the graphs. So that information helps you to create a trust within your community. You are not making random decisions based on guesswork. You are making decision based on the data, the real data that we collect from the Analytic Kit platform. So using this data, you can identify how well your customers are using your entire blockchain application and build a community and trust based on the data. This helps to grow your community because you are not making guesswork, and you are not making decision based on the future decision that how well your blockchain application is going to be used. You are making decision based on the data that we collect, how well the customers are using. Say if you say that your blockchain application is used by 100 different users, you can show the data to them. You can say that there are 100 people, they purchased my NFT token, and you can show that to your entire community and build the trust. And by building the trust, you can grow the community. So that's all I want to discuss in this presentation. There are many other things you can do based on the data that we collect. You can create a mass email campaign and attract more customers. You can do cross-promotional activities with your competitors. And also you can build trust with your community by using the data and showing the data through graphs for them. So that's the whole purpose of these graphs. And also one other point I want to describe in this video is right now, these are all static data. Static data, what I mean was you cannot manipulate, you cannot show which one is smart contract application that you are managing and which one is your competitor smart contract application. It is not showing those details, but we are working on those to make the graph user friendly, to make the graph dynamically, and you can able to see on which dates your customers are your customers use the smart contract application, and you can able to change the date range, all the informations. We are working on it, and it will be available sooner than later. So that's all I want to discuss in this video. And if you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. And again, help us grow this channel by subscribing to this YouTube channel. And also, if you have any questions, please visit our website, www.analytickit.com. And if you want to go to our platform, once you go to our website, you can click login. And if you have already registered, you can use your user ID and password to log in, or you can register and start using it. Thank you. Bye.